Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic ingredient, play around with it a bit to create a whole new recipe. So today I'm playing with pretzels, and I'm going to be dipping them in a peanut butter chocolate chip mixture. So what I do is I microwave this in a glass of ceramic bowl, put it in the microwave for about 35 seconds, give it a quick stir. It doesn't look done. It won't be done. You have to put it back in for another 30 seconds. Don't overdo it. And then give it another quick mix, and it should be nice and smooth. Mix until it's smooth. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and dip my pretzels right in here. You can even do a half dip. That way your finger has a clean hold on it. Give it a little tap it. Okay, there we go. Place it right on our, I like to put on wax paper because it's an easy cleanup right there. And this is a great little snack that's not too sweet, not too, I don't know, junkified, I should say, that the kids can have, kind of fun. And so I'm going to just do one more. Then what you can do, what's fun about this is you could add sprinkles to it. It's super fun. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of sprinkles. And you can pop them in the fridge or actually just leave them on the counter and they'll harden up. Fabulous. So here you go. Peanut butter dipped pretzels. Good snack for you. Thank you for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 E's.com.